Introduction. In addition to general strategies for safeguarding your computer against viruses, specific actions such as scanning for viruses, cleaning infected files, and managing spam are crucial. These actions help maintain your system's integrity and performance. Here are detailed steps on how to effectively manage these aspects. Scanning and cleaning viruses. Regular scans. Schedule regular scans with your antivirus software. Most antivirus programs offer the option to run a scan daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule. Real-time protection. Ensure that your antivirus software includes real-time scanning, which checks files for threats as they are opened or downloaded onto your system. Thorough scans. Perform thorough scans periodically. This is more comprehensive than quick scans and may include external drives and other potential hiding spots for malware. Follow recommendations. After a scan, follow the antivirus software's recommendations for dealing with detected threats, which might include quarantining suspicious files or removing them completely. Keep antivirus updated. Continuously update your antivirus software to recognize the latest malware. New viruses and variants emerge regularly, and updates include the latest data to identify these threats. Removing spam files. Email filters. Use email software with robust spam filters to help block emails that could contain spam or malicious attachments from reaching your inbox. Regular cleaning. Regularly clean your email inbox and other folders by reviewing and deleting spam or suspicious emails that bypass filters. Adjust settings. Adjust your email settings to enhance security, such as disabling automatic downloads of attachments or images from unknown senders, which can contain hidden malware. Reporting spam. Use the Report Spam feature in your email client. This not only removes the spam from your inbox but also helps improve spam filtering algorithms. Use spam blocking tools. Consider additional spam blocking tools or services, especially if you handle sensitive information or receive a high volume of emails. Additional tips for enhanced security. Educate on phishing. Be vigilant about phishing attempts. Educate yourself and others about how to recognize phishing emails and suspicious links. Limit downloads. Limit downloads to trusted sources. Avoid downloading files or opening links from unknown or unverified sources. Secure configurations. Secure your email and browsing configurations to minimize vulnerabilities, including using secure protocols and turning off unnecessary services. Update regularly. Keep all your software and your operating system up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Implementing these strategies for scanning and cleaning viruses and managing spam will help protect your computer from threats and maintain its optimal functioning. These preventive measures are key components of maintaining digital hygiene and security. Procedures to be followed for cleaning. Keeping your computer clean is essential for maintaining its performance and longevity. Dust, debris, and other contaminants can degrade components over time, leading to overheating and potential failure. Here are systematic procedures to safely and effectively clean your computer. General safety precautions. Power off. Ensure the computer is turned off and unplugged from the power source. Static electricity. Use an anti-static wristband or frequently touch a grounded metal object to discharge static electricity from your body. Use appropriate tools. Use tools designed for cleaning electronic devices such as microfiber cloths, compressed air, and isopropyl alcohol. External cleaning. Case cleaning. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to wipe the exterior of the computer case. For stubborn grime, use a cloth dampened with a mild soap and water solution, but avoid letting moisture seep into any openings. Screen cleaning. Use a microfiber cloth designed for screens. Apply screen cleaner spray to the cloth to avoid drips that could damage the monitor. Gently wipe the screen in a circular motion. Keyboard cleaning. Turn the keyboard upside down and gently shake it to dislodge crumbs and debris. Use compressed air to blow out debris from between the keys. Clean the surface of the keys with a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Mouse cleaning. Wipe the surface with a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol. If the mouse has a ball, remove the ball and clean it along with the inside compartment. Internal cleaning. Opening the case. Open the computer case by removing the side panel. Ensure the area is clean and dust-free. Dust removal. Use compressed air to blow dust out of the internal components. Keep the air nozzle a few inches away from the surface to prevent damage. Pay special attention to cooling fans and heat sinks, as these accumulate dust quickly. Fan cleaning. Hold the fan blades in place while using compressed air to prevent them from spinning, which can damage the bearings. Wipe fan blades with a cloth if necessary. Reassemble and test. After cleaning, carefully reassemble the computer. Power it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance schedule. Frequency. External components like keyboards and monitors should be cleaned monthly. Internal cleaning should be done every 6 to 12 months, depending on the environment.